Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the time tracker in Upwork. The Upwork desktop app is the only way to track your time for hourly contracts, ensuring accurate billing. This essential tool records your work time, captures screenshots, and logs your activity levels. Before you begin any work, always make sure the Upwork desktop app is properly installed and actively running on your computer. This setup is crucial for seamless and verifiable time tracking. Once the Upwork desktop app is open, tracking your work sessions is straightforward. First, select the correct contract from the app's convenient drop-down menu, ensuring your time is allocated to the right project. Next, simply click the prominent Start button to initiate time tracking for your active project. When you have completed your work or need a break, always remember to click Stop to end the session and prevent any unintended billing. The Upwork Time Tracker provides transparency through its monitoring features. During active tracking, the app automatically captures a screenshot of your desktop every 10 minutes. Additionally, it measures your activity level by monitoring keyboard and mouse movements. To ensure accurate and fair work diary entries, it is important to maintain consistent activity while the timer is running. This helps clients understand your engagement and progress throughout the project. After tracking your time, it is crucial to review your work diary on the Upwork website. Here, you can access and review all your tracked time segments and the corresponding screenshots. Before the weekly billing cycle, take a moment to verify that all recorded hours and activities are accurate and reflect your actual work. The work diary serves as a transparent record, providing clarity and confidence for both you as a freelancer and your clients regarding project progress and billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.